The west coast of Vancouver Island has a well-earned reputation for tumultuous seas, violent weather, and fog. Towns, settlements, and roads are few and far between. Beyond the far horizon, Japan is the next significant piece of land. Battered by the restless expanse of the Pacific Ocean, the coastline is fragmented into a series of sounds. Larger vessels must make the journey around the top and bottom of Vancouver Island, but once on the west coast, they are only exposed to the open ocean for 20 to 30 miles between each of the sounds. Our vessel is Venture, now in her 10th season, with more than 48,000 miles under her keel. Most boats head south down the west coast, but we chose the opposite direction and have a bumpy ride up the Straits of Juan de Fuca. We spend the night in Port Renfrew and continue on to West Bamford, where we moor at Mills Landing. Chris launches the tender to cross over to East Bamford, which is connected by road to the rest of the island. West Bamford is more rural. Our evacuation route takes us past waterfront cottages and the Coast Guard station. A long fjord connects Barclay Sound to Port Alberni, which is almost on the east coast. Despite its name, the Port Alberni Yacht Club has its only premises on Fleming Island, to which we now head. Here we receive a great welcome and are made to feel very much at home. The surrounding waters are a mix of skerries, rocks and islands, and are best explored by tender. There are numerous caves. Colorful sea stars cling to the rocks at low tide. The plumage of this ruddy turnover blends with its surroundings. Christine slips while boarding the tender, proving that the self-inflating jackets do indeed self-inflate. Venture carries two tenders, a larger Zodiac for longer trips, and a small one with a flat bottom for going ashore.